Allu Arjun's film records phenomenal pre-sales, sells over 2.45 lakh tickets in top chains with 1 day to go. Allu Arjun's Pushpa 2, The Rule has sold a massive 2.45 lakh tickets in the top national chains in Hindi, with 1 more day to go. Pushpa 2, The Rule, starring Allu Arjun, Rashmika Mandanna, and Fahad Fasil, is finally hitting the big screens this weekend. The mass action drama is set for a historic start at the box office, thanks to its excellent pre-sales at the ticket window. Pushpa 2, Hindi, records 2.45 lakh admits in advance booking, targets 4.50 lakh pre-sales final. Directed by Sukumar, Pushpa 2 is showing extraordinary trends in advance booking. As of 11 p.m. December 3, 2024, the mass actioner sold a massive 2.43 lakh tickets in the top 3 national chains, Parinox and Cinepolis, for the opening day alone. PVR Inox has alone recorded 1.97 lakh admits, while Cinepolis sold around 46,000 tickets. It will wind up the end by smashing 2.45 lakh tickets in the top chains. So far, the movie has sold approximately 50,000 tickets on Saturday, 55,000 tickets on Sunday, 50,000 tickets on Monday, and around 90,000 tickets on Tuesday in the national chains. The Allu Arjun starrer will see a big surge in advances tomorrow, the last day before its full-fledged release on Thursday. Ideally, such tentpole movies record double sales on the final day. However, considering the craze and pre-release hype, they could even go beyond and smash a higher figure. As per current trends, Pushpa 2 is expected to end its advance sale around 4.50 lakh admits in the top chains. Pushpa 2 is performing best in Gujarat and Maharashtra in the Hindi region. Talking of the non-national chains, the movie has sold around 14,000 tickets in MovieMax and is eyeing a final around 20,000 tickets with a chance of even hitting the 22,000 mark, surpassing the previous best, Stree 2. On the other hand, the movie wrote history in Rajhans cinemas by registering the biggest advance of all time, with 1 more day to go. It has sold around 35,000 tickets in Rajhans, beating the previous record holder KGF Chapter 2. Other non-national cinemas are also registering solid pre-sales. Pushpa 2 is eyeing a banger start of 57 crore rupees to 62 crore rupees in Hindi, with a shot of hitting the 65 crore rupees mark too. However, it will depend on the spot booking and walk-ins on Thursday. Overall, the Masala entertainer is targeting a historic opening of 250 crore rupees worldwide. Pushpa 2, The Rule is expected to dominate India's box office, BO, with industry experts predicting that the movie will break opening day box office records. The much-awaited sequel to Pushpa, The Rise, Part 1 is set to be released on December 5, with Telugu star Allu Arjun reprising his role as Pushpa Raj. Cinema exhibitors told Business Standard that the movie will initially be released in 2D, meaning Allu Arjun's fans will have to wait to watch the movie in 3D. According to a report by Elara Capital, the Sukumar Bandreddy directed film is set to achieve a global gross BO collection of 1,000 crore rupees, with the Hindi version expected to gross 500 crore rupees. Pushpa, The Rise, Part 1, released in 2021, grossed 400 crore rupees in India. This massive demand could push theatre occupancy to over 40% in December, resulting in higher footfall. There is a possibility that Pushpa 2, The Rule could be the highest grossing movie in the country across all languages, said Amit Sharma, managing director of Maraj Entertainment. Sharma expects the Hindi language version to generate 65 crore on its opening day. The film is also poised to make history with an expected BO collection exceeding 200 crore rupees in its first weekend. At PVR Inox, we are proud to present this cinematic extravaganza, setting the tone for an unforgettable season of entertainment, said Gautam Datta, Chief Executive Officer of Revenue and Operations, PVR Inox. Pushpa 2, The Rule is going to be the biggest movie in terms of BO numbers ever made in India, said Ashish Pandey, Head of Programming and Strategic Initiatives at MovieMax Cinemas. The movie will generate 600 rupees 800 crore in Hindi, with a similar 400 rupees 600 crore expected in other languages in the south. So, we are talking about a range of 1000 rupees 1400 crore for Pushpa 2, The Rule, Pandey added. With Hindi cinema struggling to grab the audience's attention, and only the horror comedy genre and re-released films bringing the desired footfall for multiplexes, Pushpa 2, The Rule has gained massive momentum across India in terms of BO estimates and advance bookings. However, the movie has particularly seen strong demand in the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana regions. The prices for the Hindi version are almost in the same range as Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 and Singham Again. But when it comes to the south, specifically the Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh regions, ticket prices have gone up by 25 to 30%, Sharma added. Elara Capital believes that the movie's strong recall value will help it break records set by Bahubali 2, The Conclusion and KGF, Chapter 2 in terms of India's gross box office collection. Bahubali 2, The Conclusion, starring Prabhas, minted 1,200 crore rupees in India, and KGF, Chapter 2 grossed 1,000 crore rupees in the country. According to the report, Pushpa 2, The Rule's advance bookings have also set a new record, with the movie's advance bookings standing at 50 crore rupees on day 1. Shah Rukh Khan's Pathan generated 23 crore rupees in advance bookings, while Jawan minted 17 crore rupees. Overall, the industry expects Singham Again, Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3, and Pushpa 2, The Rule to drive India's cumulative BO collection past last year's numbers.